You know, lots of affiliate marketers I talked to thought they'd be making more money by now, and really it's not their fault. Those so-called gurus just love painting fairy tales in people's heads. They say you can make a boatload of cash without lifting a finger, that somehow all of your affiliate sales will come to you auto-magically while you sleep. Now, I don't know about your experiences, but the last time money just magically appeared overnight was when the tooth fairy left cash under my pillow. And vendors aren't blameless either. They tell you to join their affiliate programs because their products are so good they'll just sell themselves, right? Because we've all seen affiliate offers put on a pair of fancy shoes, march out onto the internet, and sell themselves, huh? And then there's the guys who talk about the easy button. You start to get the idea that you can quit your day job, push the easy button, and live happily ever after as oodles of money cascade magically into your PayPal account. Well, enough of the fairy tales, because now you're going to learn the truth about affiliate marketing. Question is affiliate marketing as easy as you've heard? Well, if you've been listening to the tall tales from gurus and shady vendors, then the answer is no. It's not quite that easy. You can't just print money. But while it's not exactly push-button easy, it's not hard either when you know those secrets for setting up your affiliate marketing business the right way. And that's what you're about to discover inside this video training course, which was created by two of the net's top affiliates. You see, you wouldn't build a house without a strong foundation, and neither should you build an affiliate business without first snapping some very important pieces into place. Skip these beginning steps, and your affiliate business will be about as strong as a house of cards. It'll be ready to come toppling down at the first sign of a light breeze, and trust me, your competitors will be rustling up that breeze every chance they can get. So, let's bulletproof your affiliate marketing business. Let's reinforce it from the ground up, because once you do, you'll start enjoying more traffic, a bigger list, and more sales than you ever thought was possible, and you'll finally start getting some major respect in the niche. These things and more could be yours when you order this affiliate marketing course today. This course will open your eyes to the truth about affiliate marketing, and it will take your business to the next level, enough to really worry your competitors and make them sweat. So let me tell you all what you're gonna learn inside this exciting course. First, you'll find out the surprising truth about what affiliate marketers really do. This is important because affiliates who don't know the whole truth struggle with their business and suffer with small commission checks. Plus, you'll find out what kinds of niches make the very best targets for one very surprising reason. Next, you'll find out how to uncover the hottest markets around. The easiest money you'll make as an affiliate marketer is when you put offers right under the noses of people who are already buying stuff like crazy. You'll find out how to uncover these markets. You'll even get a really slick strategy for discovering niches you never even knew existed. Another thing you'll learn is how to find a golden needle in an affiliate marketing haystack. Once you start doing your research, you'll quickly discover there are tons of products for you to promote, right? But if you pick the wrong one, your reputation will be dragged down faster than a feather tied to a bowling ball. Don't settle for small commissions and products that won't sell. This course will show you how to pick the right products for maximum profits. Next up, you'll find out how to hook the hungry fish with juicy bait. Listen, everyone and their uncle is trying to get their hooks into your prospects, right? Your prospects are as popular as a beautiful supermodel walking through the halls of an all-male high-security prison. So you need to get these prospects on your mailing list fast before your competitors beat you to it. And that's why this course shows you how to bait your prospects with an irresistible free offer. You're going to love seeing the huge number of new subscribers joining your list every day. And after that, this course shows you the nuts and bolts of assembling your lead magnet page. If you've never put together a lead page before, don't worry. It's easier than assembling IKEA furniture and you won't have any spare parts left over. That's because you'll discover the absolute quickest way to get a professional, high-converting page up and running fast. People will swear you must be hiring expensive web page designers to create lead pages that look like $1 million. But you don't have to tell them you made the pages yourself using the same tool the top super affiliates use to create gorgeous landing pages. Then you'll discover the surprising secrets of what the top affiliates do differently with their blogs. Almost every affiliate has a blog, right? But a huge number of these affiliates are completely clueless about how to turn a blog into your number one sales tool. First, you'll get a quick and easy way to set up a blog. Then you'll discover what the super affiliates do differently with their blogs that makes them uber profitable, including one super clever trick taken straight from Publishers Clearinghouse. This secret's going to blow you away, and just wait till you put it to work for you. Next up, you'll get a glimpse behind the curtain as you discover how the super affiliates make more sales than everyone else. Really, the super affiliates make it look so easy, don't they? It seems like all they have to do is breathe and money rains down on them. They win every affiliate contest. They've got the biggest and most responsive lists around. They're living the dream. If you've ever wanted that for yourself, then you'll want to pay attention to every second of this video. You'll find out the number one secret that separates the super affiliates from the super broke affiliates. This may surprise you, and it's the one thing that will make your affiliate business pay you like a broken slot machine. After that, you'll learn all about the secrets of the ugly guys who date the supermodels. You know what I'm talking about here. Ever seen an ugly guy with an extremely beautiful woman and wonder, how did that happen? I'll tell you what happened. The guy has a mesmerizing way with words, just like politicians do, just like teenagers do when they're trying to borrow the car from mom and dad, and just like you will by the time you're finished with this course. That's right, you'll get a crash course in how to get inside your prospect's head so you can say the right words that get them scrambling to the order button. Once you know how to wield this power, your sales will flow fast and easy like water down a hill. Then you'll find out an astonishing way to get vendors to send traffic to you. This is pretty amazing if you think about it. Typically, your job as an affiliate is to whip up some targeted traffic and send it to the vendor sales page. But smart affiliates know a trick for turning this model on its head. You'll find out how to get vendors to promote your site, send you traffic, and generate sales for you. It's crazy. It's crazy good. And after that, you'll get even more ways to get targeted eyeballs in front of your affiliate offers. Here you'll find 3 of the top ways to attract cash-in-hand prospects to your websites. Once you get these leads on your list and warm them up, then you can send them to your affiliate offers so that you can start pocketing those big commission checks. And all of this I've mentioned so far is just a taste of what you'll get inside this video training program. This is the foundation you need to set up a super successful affiliate business. Now, what makes this affiliate marketing course different from all others is that it's created by 2 of the top affiliates on the net. These are the same strategies these 2 super affiliates use to bring in at least 6 figures a year. These are the same strategies their super affiliate friends use to pull down the huge commission checks. And now, you too can discover and use these tools and strategies for yourself. Listen, I know there are a lot of affiliate marketing courses on the web, but the vast majority of them were created by wannabes whose affiliate commission checks can't even cover the cost of their monthly pizza deliveries. If you want to know the truth about affiliate marketing, then get the information straight from the super affiliates by ordering this course today using the buy link on this page. And best of all, if you order today, you can lock in a low price. I can't guarantee this price will be available if you hesitate now and come back later. So make the decision right now to create a successful business. Just use the link below to order this video training program so you can finally find out how the super affiliates set up their businesses, get traffic, and generate those eye-popping commission checks.